Hey guys, it's handcrafted by Jason Cooper. I'm here today with another DIY project. Before I get into it, please hit subscribe, like this video if it's helpful, leave a comment, and visit my website at woodwork.cooperjason.com to see more about what DIY and woodworking videos I have out there. Today, in our old van, it's a 2010 Toyota Sienna. If you go get your oil change somewhere or something like that, and the guy says, hey, you need a new cabin air filter, it's going to be 50 bucks. Just know that this is a simple replacement that anyone can do, and the filters themselves only cost 15 to 20 bucks depending on where you get them and what they are. And you can do this at home and save yourselves usually about 30 bucks versus having the dealer do it or the oil change place. And it's very simple. So let me show you. All right, so here we are inside the 2010 Toyota Sienna minivan. And on most vehicles, the cabin air filter or pollen air filter or whatever they might call it is almost always behind the glove box. And so it's not hard to get to. You just open it up. In this vehicle, there's a little tab on each side. And you literally just press in here and here, and it's hard to do with one hand at a time, but I might have to set this down. Yep, I'm gonna have to. Okay, let's see if I can do this with both hands and get in the shot. Okay, there we go. So you just press in here and here, squeeze it, and it'll fold down. Now this one stays pretty well, but there's a spot, you lift it up just a little bit and you can just lift it right off the little pivot points, okay? And then inside here, this is the little compartment with the air filter. So you grab on each end, pull it out. You can loosen it and do that. All right, that's it. You pull it out and you can replace it. I'll get the other one out here in a second, but just pay attention to the direction you pulled it out. Lay it flat. And notice that the air comes in from the top and flows down through. So the dirty side of the filter, maybe you can't see it quite so good in the video, is this top side. You can see some of that crap in there. Yeah, you should be able to see that. So the filter that you put in, you'll have to look for a directional flow indicator if it has one, and make sure you have the flow going downward. Okay, so let's get the other one out. And I've got the Fram version here from Walmart. I don't know, it's like 15 bucks maybe. CV10132, again for 2010 Toyota Sienna. Would work for other years of the Toyota Sienna as well. But just check yours, online or something at a parts store or whatever. You can find the correct number. Come on, camera. Okay. So let's get that out of there. Is the new one. Oh, look at there, it's got some directions for you. Okay, and then this one does not appear to have a flow indicator, but we're going to put it in straight this way. So we're going to take the other one out. These little tabs kind of hold it in on the edge there. So squish it together, pull that out, set that aside, take the new one. Squish it down in here with the foam, push it in, push those under the tabs, right there, slide it back in. Oops, sorry, camera fell. Slide it back in the compartment spot until it stays. Take your glove box, find where the little pivot points of the hinges stick, and then you just reverse the process. I have to set this down somewhere here. So squeeze the sides in, and that's it. Well, that's it for today's video. Hopefully that's helpful to you. You can change your own cabin air filter or pollen air filter and save yourselves like 30 bucks or so over having the oil change place do it or the dealership do it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you.